So I'm jumping straight into this video. I just showed the braid pattern. It was pretty simple, nothing complicated. I also am showing the protectant that I use, and I just spread that all over. I've seen many people use it, and I don't know if it works. This is my first time using it. So we're definitely going to see if it actually works, and I will let you know my review on that. But I just spread it all over my hair, got my braids pretty saturated, and then I took the blow dryer and dried it for about 5 to 10 minutes. And it wasn't completely dry, but it was dry enough. I would definitely suggest using the dye brush or some type of brush to spread it on evenly instead of your hand, but that's all I had at the moment, so that's what I used. And I'm not going to talk through this video. I'm really going to just let you see exactly what I did. It's pretty self-explanatory, and at this point, I mean, you can see a million quick week videos on YouTube at this point, and all of them are pretty much the same. I just wanted to do it because I thought it was different using this particular hair for this particular style. So, and mind you, it's been years since I've done a quick weave, so please don't judge me on my methods because it took me a minute to remember exactly what to do, because it's been so long. So as you can see, I definitely used 2 wig caps, or 2 caps, just because I wanted to make sure it was really protected on top of the protectant. So hopefully, again, I'll give a review and tell you how it was. Maybe I'll even do a takedown video so you guys can actually see how easy or how hard it is to actually take this down, and if there is glue stuck in my hair, that might be a good idea. All right, and then everything else is pretty self-explanatory. Like I said, just spraying some hairspray on it to make sure it sticks even better and also act as another protectant. And I just start getting my hair prepped and getting ready to glue. And outlining that leave out so I don't glue on top of that. And then I just go ahead and get started gluing. The hair that I used was the Organique. I think it's called Organique hair. It is synthetic, and I've seen a lot of people do this particular hair. It's like $23, $22.99 I believe, and I got the 14, 16, 18 inch, the ombre with the brown on the end to match my hair. And I will definitely let you know how I like the hair in another video, the next video that I make. I don't want to do it in this video particularly, but yeah, so here you go. That's the hair that I used. And then basically just get started in gluing the hair on, and you just go in a U shape. Start from the back, start working your way up, try to leave a little bit of space in between the tracks in the back, and then get closer as you get towards the top and continue in a U shape. And that's all you do, and you just keep going and going and going until you don't have any space left.
Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel a chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place. Cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. So no one else will do like you do. That's why I don't mind spend my life with you. I wanna please you in any way I can. I wanna share my world, don't you understand? Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give all day long. Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling all day long.
So it was at this moment that I realized that I wanted to cut this hair. It was just a lot for me, and I've been wearing my natural hair for a long time, and so it was just too much. It was too much for me. So I wanted to cut it into a more natural looking length, and so that's what I did.
That's true indeed. I'm digging you. You make me believe your love is one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling. All day long. Your love is one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling all day long.
So as you can see, the color in my hair blend perfectly with the weave. Like, you can literally not tell where my hair is. And this is not just the camera. Like, it was really, really blending well. And my camera died. So I added in a picture of when I went out the next night of my hair. And tell me what you think in the comments. Did it come out good? Could it have been better? What do you think? Alright guys, I know I'm in traffic, but I just wanted to come really quick to show how my hair came out. As you can see, it's like a long bob type of style. And at first I wanted it kind of crinkly, but I flat ironed it out and I think I like it much better. My hair is blending pretty well with it. It could be better, but overall it's pretty good. For only paying $23 for this hair. As you can see, I got the side part. And yeah, so I'm pretty satisfied with it for it to be such a cheap and temporary hairstyle. I think it came out pretty decent. Again, let me know what you think in the comments, and thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you later. Bye.